It is common for multiple people to join in a single conversation. With VitalPBX, you can host audio conferences for multiple people in what we call conference bridges. To create one, you must go to PBX, Applications, Conferences. With a conference, more than 3 people can join in a single call. They can call into a conference bridge from either any extension or an incoming call to join the conversation. First, you must enter the code to reach this conference bridge and add a description to identify it. We recommend you set a user and a leader pin to identify users and leaders for this conference bridge. This way, you can identify users that can take action on other features in the conference. All other settings can be left by default and then save and apply changes. Additionally, you can customize the conference bridge with the following settings. Max members. This is used to limit the number of participants in this conference bridge. With video mode, you can have video in the conference bridge. It is important to note that this will only work for extensions that have devices that support PJ-SIP or SIP-based video calling. This will not work for external users doing an incoming call to the VitalPBX installation. You can choose between these options. When set to none, this is used to disable the video mode feature. Follow talker is used to show the video of who's currently talking in the conference. Admin will show the video for leaders only at the conference. Last admin will show the video for the last leader to join the conference. Selective forwarding unit sets a multi-stream operation for a multi-stream video conference so multiple people are shown at once. Then we have language. This sets the language for the voice prompts in the conference bridge. Record. When enabled, this will record the conference call. The join announcement is an announcement that is played back when someone joins the conference. Music on hold is a music on hold class that will play when a user is waiting. For announced user count, you can set this to yes to enable it and no to disable it. And a positive number to announce the number of users to everyone when the number of members is above this number. You can assign a class of service to a conference bridge since you can enable inviting external numbers. This determines the numbers you can dial from within the conference. Music on hold when empty. This determines if the music on hold will play while there is only one person in the conference. User count announces to new callers the number of participants in the conference. Announce, join, leave will announce conference members when someone joins or leaves the conference. Users will be asked to record their names before joining the conference. With announce only user, this will announce the last member that they are the only member left in the conference. With wait for leader set, users will not be able to speak with each other until a leader joins. Start muted. All users start muted when they join the conference. Drop silence. When a member is not speaking, silence will not be transmitted, saving bandwidth and improving performance. Quiet will mute all voice prompts from this conference. Kick users. All users are kicked when the last leader leaves the conference. Talk detection. This determines whether to send event notifications when a user starts and ends speaking to the asterisk management interface. And finally, allow to invite. This allows inviting external people once you are in the conference by dialing ** or 0.